In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell graphic design files on Sellfy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take your digital designs and turn them into a clean, professional product listing that's ready to sell. Start from your Sellfy dashboard. This is your control center. Head to the Products section and select Add New Product. This is where you'll create the product page your customers will see. When prompted, choose Digital Product. Since you're selling design files, this option ensures your customers receive a downloadable file right after purchase. Now it's time to upload your files. You can drag and drop them directly onto the page or select them from your computer. Sellfy supports up to 50 files per product, which is great if you want to offer multiple formats or versions. If your product contains many assets, consider uploading a single zip file. This keeps everything organized and makes the download simple for your buyers. Before you upload, double-check that your files open correctly and are named clearly, so customers know exactly what they're getting. Next, add your product name. Make it descriptive and specific, such as Modern Social Media PSD Templates. Clear naming helps customers find your product and understand its purpose at a glance. After that, write a detailed description. Explain what's included, the file formats, sizes or resolutions, and any software compatibility like PSD for Photoshop, AI for Illustrator, or PNG for universal use. If there are multiple colorways, styles, or sizes, list them. The more clarity you provide here, the fewer questions you'll receive later, and the more confident your customers will feel about purchasing. Add product preview images to showcase your work. Use mock-ups, before and after examples, or close-ups that highlight important details. Lead with a strong cover image that communicates the style and use case of your design. Keep the visuals consistent and professional to build trust. Set your price. You're free to choose what makes sense for your market and the depth of your offering. Consider the value of your time, the uniqueness of your assets, and how competitors price similar products. If you're unsure, start with a reasonable figure and adjust later based on demand and feedback. When everything looks good, click Save Product. Your product details and files will be stored, and your listing will be ready for your storefront. That's it. Your graphic design files are now set up to sell on Sellfy.